Guys, now guys, here is our merch tutorial. You can pick anything, even phone cases. Wrong button. So, this is the icon that I'm using, which you could do. Use any thing. But I can't make the price of the thing. Kids and babies. Again, I can't make the price of the shirts. They just are that way. Okay, guys. You can push this. Push add to cart. Wait, no. You have to make this size. I'm going to do my size. And then you just push checkout. Enter all these in, and this. Push proceed to payment. And yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just that back. Bye, guys.